Yabakoswa da masem gusu hwe bedwem on Adom TV Multi TV so ebra se dey en komo no etime to aso edema mamenka se Kel Chako toothpaste father ma ana san komo we ye dey ebra on penfo atrasa quickly your cameraman Thomas ye nyina ye ma no Yakov se na konta na da for me akonta the late Edward Obin Abedi the donor friend bra Kobi Thomas multimedia cameraman bedroom cameraman ono na contact that for me ye no hwehwe ni mpam twom taas na muntie ye de ne beto ne mpam wo Mr. Alexander Abu Abedi's residence na afi na de akoye awufu som no muntie akoye awufu som no wo Abelempe Presbyterian Church memenda we dey anim na afi memenda kona Assessor so Presby Church Cemetery ekwapem ho ana ebekwa akopɛ no krabia ntimo nhyɛ no so na afei memenda kona sa abɛyɛ asɔre no wɔ Resurrection Congregation Presbyterian Church on kan ha nhyɛ no so na ankofa ɛyɛ ayibiamba ɛbi na asia asɔre no rada na asia asɔre no ana ebeba bɛyɛ no wɔ Resurrection Congregation Presbyterian Church in Kraya for the late Edward Obin Abedi dodo na friend no bra Kobi the otie ipaso oba kunafo so painful Mrs. Patricia Bani Abedi Kwadano Maryland and Kevin Abedi munyina munkusepa enye easy ene munyina so Francis Abedi Mr. Samuel Abedi UK Mrs. Grace Otu UK Madam Edith Abedi Accra Mrs. Dorothy Accra ana Mama Abi Osei US of A ofase for no so nyina wo ana cousins so wo Sister Elizabeth ni nuanom Stella Asaboni ni nuanom Abrokwa ni Mama Ka Steven Mama Ka nyina edamase yi na nkasa de okatachie kusi ameya obu adom asese hene na nehema na nama adobia ne si omo na so prekope until the late Edward Obin Abedi see the way Christ there a tough moments for the family akonta tini shoes akonta Thomas Matshedi ebe alajo ho anso no the late Madam Mercy Damasi your friend Obolo ono so fiada memenda na ekwasiada ana ebekwa kopene krabia enti onso ajewa emanajewa ne mama kan mu nyina mo so mo hyede abusia mo so mo hyede okwaso goso kra almost Thanksgiving service no because of Evergreen Standard Gospel International Church Alajo anopa no so na ekodanya mi asese yetimi akokata ye maame so kama na afi yakopene krabia so ewo suhum Eastern region na afi yabe na ase asore no ewo Evergreen Gospel International Church but the better say wo ebusiafi ewo Alajo so Kel Chako toothpaste Kel say another quality product from Samara Company Limited one of the abadwa so nkoda de ho mpanyimfo de ho enti ene wo pese osi etimi ye fita osi achinam no enya hoden sonko afi enka bia efiri onu ba bia no ebe kama no woti benya akukudu atimi akasa wo nipa mu dia na eye Kel Chako toothpaste ejebidie ana body tray ana yakesi ani abefo kwaso na adane aposin odi twitwi osi very important anopa ene anyumre anopa ene anyumre yeda Samara Company Limited for so no say as Monday to Friday Fred Agbanyo atenase Fred Agbanyo de nyame anim ne kuri na eni kwase me kire nipa oye bi se o ka Ghana amanyo sem oba NDC amanyokua na okofra mantem so a surprisingly we're taking control of our region for any bono east ono from antemu take charge o me krom afu no nim corners ne kra che me na over time also or the administration of football abekan ejuma oye ho enche bia also doctor title no osua dia ma enche bia doctor title ba be di anim kan obon homoden or a family man Fred Agbanyo Akwaba.
Gamra.
Enye izu. Nyametiase. That is the slogan. O nyametiase ampa. Na hona muti say.
Oh, nyame na fa mudi. Bibia boko.
Good.
Asida ni memorade. Aka ni aka. Anka yehwe nim se na nado ni Dr. Baumiazo be yomode. Bomati ada. Na maze si ayeden kakra.
Omoti da okwan be ombu man.
Oh, moda. Aze si aga na nso eni mo apeni o. One person when you marry no pension or retirement and they say out yo. And on the next dajan Baumiano so on so. Enti.
Ba se wo de wo nim de no kwa chire. It is ye ka Ghana mampen we ase afra na.
Enye na eda krata so na ekoso na ye kan wansem mo. Enye na eda atentim da tun krata mo.
Oh so krata so de na na do na ye mampen.
By reality. Perform say ebu mind de wada. Ye ni bi.
Ini mampen.
Oh ye ni bi.
It's one acting in that capacity.
Baumia na kede ajano no so.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Na de ajano ho so.
With the introduction of all the normal, you know.
Na wo nti alanka je ne campaign team. O se nye se yakosua ade o krata mo economics na yeka wansem no. Fa bu man na amafo ho nto mo na yeka wansem. Eno ho so.
Alanchemati team can we da me.
Onya nti e. Baba ba obu. Se nye ye ni academic economics na yehwe practical economics. Onim na ehia Ghana for okomedi omo ebre omo bre na ma mencha mikromfo ansa mechi akpafofo nyina na machia Sandro Kofifo achia lolo bifo
mo hono ye chi mu na stay
to likpefo no se na nado ni Dr. Baumia electoral commission be se ne na bone e dia ye omo ntia Ghana fa na nyina bi obeko bia omo rep da parliament hwe area hoso na ye nkwa de kama ye nya bone bia ye
Fred, what is the reason?
Kama ogi wa ntia se me will let be abetim da kire on the 6th of December 2020 adebeche ekwa abato an electoral commission etro krata de breye say abato na yekoto no meye ntuno anda Jessica eye boem constituency meye ntuno anda hohwe na ye gina be bia ye gina
on the 6th of December.
I'm telling you a day before the general elections krata no ametim da kire say akama na ya to abawi a year down the line onfie
Confirm say.
Yeah, up to now you're into about any member of parliament.
And now what is the reason?
Obian can't try. Obian can't try.
Who dear go and say?
Okay, one tias yet. And no me money in I eating. And a electoral commission to all any open. Me no can say, ya we petition this ya pick signatures. Ya the conservative parliament. Ya we neso, many lawyer for kasa. Me be kokota. So onye adwuma na mpampa se mra na edit o memu na yekoso ye adwuma dia me need record na court in compel no se bi so ye Ghana fo na Ghana ye mra upon the constitution of the Republic of Ghana it is the Ghana fo nyina deserve representation tie boni aye ne se na ka ye ti o ye o voter region one of some agimo petitions so make create regions mu be mu demarcation no e na mo tie the free voter region and our constituency e de ko county Otiwa after the Akokao, 4 traditional areas with a population more than 45,000 people. Yes, registered population over 20,000. And we are born here any day. Up to now, be angry. Letter commission.
So only presidential Namato. Only rep or parliament.
There be. I mean, ya brace a criteria. Come on, many job.
I know quite away the casa. So on what I say.
And you know, idea asefem hadwin bebre na mekoso ache microphone say my empaba na yeguso a ye piampia ye ne baby and as I said the coming days I'm sure the next week many lawyer and beshia in the team nyina na ya bon komahwa na mo ebetu a ebebo anyina na selector commission say pampa oyedwuma de maga na man na enye obi keke no yedwuma de man dia and the obey ye nea mrash na hye say onye enti na nura na meti o mampeni kasa wo Kofia na we know so on there you will not interfere with the constitution of the country over 72 terms na meti am say na mampeni kai na what choice be you don't have any choice because na meti here ka Ghana for ye wo any alternative means say ka be na free for 2024 ka be you
o so kokwanza ne brain aso
waste of time. What is he doing? Nothing. What bread?
Uni o mai mana.
O mi.
No me busa wo.
Na yeshi mo yode. Na yeti mo yode.
E bi ni de we anye de.
Ahon kire yi.
edi ahokyere
awurade na wate da se Ghana yete na adreba fo nyina kan bom se sie da domeye ye adwuma kofu ene bo no ekwa na ekosro
na
we go do international market the price of fuel is going down but na ko say ye taxes say dia gusu and a question na drivers for the business okay all the taxes they go so aban dey enim say tax na dey adwuma se kan so awje akwan na cars na nam soso no akwan na ye kamra nkrampo nkran hwe da bia me ba me ka akwan bi da ofri Oyarefa junction na ko fa tema na ko pia boko bi awurade uko hu sakwan pa and this a road I am aware say far back in 2015 omo award to a contractor and come my drains ni kwa bi o
na ba mo kasa we mo atwan 2015 ana mo award contract na mo kono so masa de abaka che Ghana for say my akwan do na mo free
development is a process
but that is the point
projects are a process.
But that's the point I'm making.
Why do you truncate it?
No, but I'm saying
because that project was supposed to be completed by 2007
the government
17
no timelines kwade mo fanya adwuma all parties mo fa timelines
the government truncated because of what?
I'm saying government truncated the process because he gave a reason.
Which reason?
The reason was that some of these contracts na award you na won some na bibia e
kana mama no nko ne anope o set so because you understand this is better than maybe
no but what is sanchemu na
sanchemu no as a
so what is say no make
and what was the basis what was the basis of that just a useless argument flimsy no evidence to back it Cocoa Road project you see your inflated figures and then they suspended all the works come for more than 2-3 years you know evidence when they dey you see your audited and you have you cited any document HSM papa you auditing na wie your inflated figures waiting as been adwuma no I have made a case let's assume that meeting say and papa your inflated figures you are checking documents that can continue while the works continue on the field you will not be able to be na so twin be head be man punish a person. You don't punish the ordinary Ghanaian or not try to touch the amount for no fault of his. No, can say Jumano, giving excuses. Oh, contract me
apart from this reason, even though I have a copy of the report, because very voluminous.
Okay. So what can you know say and pampas evidence?
No, it could have been rectified by the previous administration, but it's not for me to.
But if you're a government responsible,
but that's what I'm saying that it is for the government to take up that responsibility.
So take up that responsibility.
Again, some of the reasons is sika na sabre so no na anyone to be call site bra na sika ho asem kra na aye kana kakra nti bo hwa aban bra obre ne aba contractor for sika do na eye momo hihye ni bi no.
You see this argument is mute. Omampeni Akufo-Addo aban nti sika ben pa no pe owiase a ono atme ya de papa magana for anya bi kwamra oba ya the time John Dramani Mahama ndi si ho Ghana isi anyafango ye fango ayenya nyina aka hu sika nyina de si ani about 6 billion Ghana na enya free we had only one well enam investment papa ye John Dramani Mahama ye nti and now we are getting excess of 20 billion every year oil find kwemu kwamra oba ye kan na asem nyina ya resolve all the problems open ho ESLA energy sector levy sika every ebakeke stabilization fund ska wakoje free ye taxes aye tuatua covid di ba ska dey frame na dey abecheye wanya saske nyina kwama go and find out government expenditure in terms of investing in the productions of the economy vis-a-vis the revenue abanya no e dey no this can aye and you come and tell us say you need ska dey betua kwan and I'm present na anya bia papa abre atota say that to amount kwamra watwa blocks ya go ho wa start see dan wa boss kra wie wo dia ne se be ye plastering na kodam osun papa na ma me ho cheme
unfortunately maybe plastering time
unfortunately
maybe plastering time so you know and a pandemic issue in the world
and bia Ghana kwa na pandemic
but if you cross check
COVID no
but if you cross check
go and check our
I'm saying if you cross check
what is happening in
other countries matters of gas matters of groceries matters
go
of
to Cote d'Ivoire a country na those are the example go to Cote d'Ivoire what is happening there in every civilized society, COVID by ya wanted a man for some. I buy a twan and my man for sitting them. Government is not imposing hardship on their people.
But this government manage the COVID situation and the time. Free water, free electricity, free distribution of food, making sure that government workers are paid.
I am extremely disappointed in you. You know that was purely an election gimmick. It was an election gimmick. It was an election gimmick. You told us, how do we call free? Also, mama is so free. Also, mama electricity free. My boy abaso. And no team, I didn't talk about the amount we need power. Oh, we need power, yeah. Or Minister of Information. Kojo Ponkruma, ever chance to be any free. And in the end, Maunano, ye chown cane. Is it free?
But now I came to your aid.
So why did you tell me you're giving it to me for free?
At that particular moment, you didn't pay.
I want him where bank $1 billion dollars. Said then. Young Chase can free. Young cost stabilization fund and go can free. And you need to ask Canada to all. Say Hunchia, Nakakofa. And so you are making it look as though I buy no one young for so being free. All the freebies that came from outside. And all the day. Come and tell me.
This is for the proper management of COVID.
Propaganda buying. Dada buying. A buying your catcher say be from an orchestra. Or say she's trying not to film. Come now, I don't know about COVID. And people are making it look it's gonna be a COVID. Be a go and make COVID gonna buy. Kwame Togo wana go share next to ko Burkina Faso ko Cote d'Ivoire ko Nigeria ko Kenya. Are we the only people who suffer from COVID? Are we the only people? Eba ya COVID kakra ya nya edidi am for bedi ho hwe this even schools cry is supply friends say Veronica bucket. Go and check the budget, the money we are talking about.
But Ekoye, nose masks.
But go and check the money.
Veronica,
go and check the money.
Are you an expert in the schools?
Do I need to be an expert?
But clearly, me catch us. I didn't say I buy this car. No, the Veronica buckets a call, nose masks call, sanitizer call. No, but the reality.
What is the reality? What is the reality?
Oman cheba Veronica buckets.
Meba. You find say Adom TV hamowe. Workers hamowe 50. Na meba. Na me sure ma be mo bia phone bako. Me fa na say enye NS ordinary phone bia. Ma mo bia bako. Na enu akire makotro budget that to say oh phones na me ko cha Adom FM fo nyina no. Ne hu bo nyina $1 million.
Phones be dupe.
They dupe. How do you tell me say
body be atu so?
Who dey body be atu so atwa bi da go to mo edi. Eno ho asem na meka.
Na mo omra se be.
Enya na mo na otu ne keke.
Na mo omra se be dwuma na mo subject you to that scrutiny.
Ye da, ye kan ye. Are we not calling for investigation into the budget, the COVID expenditure? Are we not? Are you not following? Yen can of parliament say we need to go into it. You want to see how the monies were spent? See look at. Yen see an minister said because pay Drobra, why would this year? Ko pay Drobra, Ghana for one chiomo. Ko Russia, na ko pay Drobra, ya kon nam sa ko pay Dubai, a ko pay middleman bi a drone anka. Where have organization aka say yen turn at a particular price. Ghana nkwana ke ko turn double. And yet the vigilance of the minority in parliament, not the vigilance of Ghanaians, and could be didikwa. Oh, be didikwa. And that is what they did. The pandemic, no, done Christmas, and mama for Wehonkuko.
Pandemic.
I'm telling you. COVID, ni mama for Wehonkuko, that is the country we are living in.
Pandemic.
I'm telling you. Some people are praying the ways that we even live for longer than this. Because I'm telling you. Come on, you know it. Don't pretend. Go be outside.
How well?
Meaning, say you have
how well has your party positioned itself? Criticizing, objecting to almost everything this administration is doing. You see,
the problem we have in this country is that people think say NDC alone is Ghana.
People think.
Some of you think like that. You think, say, you can't Ghana, Sam, I want you to buy, and I be in Korea, and this now, more than now, so you are Ghana. Yes, yes, you live the bar. Yeah, the bar, are we going to discriminate? Am I going to pay? Yeah, and say, I dare cost war, Memuna, and yet, nature, maintenance and cast and NDC, and now,
we are the option.
As we have given our alternative.
I'm saying that you're pre-Nana. We have potential.
We have given our of course we are going to form the next government, whether they like it or not, because the people of this country are said so, and God has ordained that, whether they like it or not. And this is forming the next government. John Dramani Mahama become the next president. No two ways about it. No arguments.
Election 2024.
Why? If you like, let's conduct elections today in this country. Comrade, you know it.
We are sure.
I'm very, very sure. You know it.
No, we are sure.
I'm 100% sure. More than 100%.
Do you know what the policies of this administration?
Policy, NBA. And say BD.
Planting for food and jobs.
Comrade, joke of a tape. Now, me constituency area over the weekend. Me ba Minister of Agri, maybe I will do be another Sambosio. Okope presented. Almost voter region nani Sambosio kwano me share some stress committee. Planting for food and job.
NAPCO?
Ghana NAPCO. Kamera. Are we serious? Me NAPCO program ne buy.
Free SHS?
Me bet na we feed there we so kaye. Say, ye be obi tifia onya hwenye. Now be ye be be ma we once the cry. It's better than say otifie.
Yeah.
To that extent, I don't have a problem with the NAPCO program. But Kamera, I said it is not sustainable.
Because
I said
3 years this one.
Are we not there? NAPCO for almost every day, they've not been paid.
Some of them.
Some of them have not been paid. Fine. Some of them have not been paid. Almost 3 years. They are supposed to exit. Almost fine. We were told all the stories. So we are going to prepare them. We are going to give them experience. Say,
but they are still in the preparatory stages.
So what is that?
Let us know about what it
was. That a program?
Let us know about what
pressure by and I must want to know how much then. How will you get a new batch to go enter into it and yet sustainable? A government that is forward looking. A government that has vision. They said John Dramani Mahama or say we are training more helpers now. So what we need to do is to invest in health infrastructure and to see more hospitals. See more hospitals. You build the assets. No, say we are and now Menunti and our rich hospital here. And now Menunti and I don't know what hospital and now we need to go do a faria. Now case military hospital and then quiet.
But don't put in that message and then a quiet. After military and then a quiet. Job is 90% completed and then
about recently I get but
you know that it is just a process.
What process? What was the state of that job before we left office? What was the state of the job before we left office?
Why was it not completed during your time?
Because it's a process, an ongoing activity. But you came and you suspended it for years.
But what did you
say? And then your appeals get at all. Contract and Yuma, Obaya, also in character 70, on the Jumane. It's taking you 2, 3, 4 years. You start to complain. And keep quiet when the people are dying. Come out to be quiet, and then you're gonna need pain. No.
But the NDC today in the position is preaching much more than the Pope.
Oh, there's also Kambia.
I'm saying the NDC in the position.
Mrs. Saudi Kambia.
The NDC in the position.
We are standing for the people of Ghana. And
since when?
We have always, and I have maintained that this country, the BBA cost of Ghana, and the Papa BBA cost of Ghana, FNDC FAPEM, a foundation that was laid by the NDC. We can go into that argument any day. I am telling you the truth. Let's go and check. This country you are seeing today, and the Papa BBA say you school, say you Kwanyo, say you school, let's go into it.
Let's credit Kwame Nkrumah than the two political parties.
Okay, you see. When I put in that context, Nkrumah came and did this way. Nkrumah left the scene far back in 1960s.
We are hanging on the boots of Nkrumah.
No argument. No argument. He laid the foundation. You see, and you need to contextualize all these things. Nkrumah governed a population of 6 million Ghanaians. 6 million people. Yeah. Where Ghana was at the time. Nkrumah project, by the time I heard Nkrumah project in 1966, when the same this UP tradition took over power, masterminded the first coup d'etat in Sub-Saharan Africa, I'll continue to say that any day. Masterminded that coup d'etat, took over power. What did they do? They continued parliament, everything Nkrumah was criminalized. Nkrumah project, Nkrumah program, Nkrumah document. They went to the University of Ghana Law School, a history department. They're packing in everything was truncated. Everything Nkrumah started and did was truncated. It never saw the day of light. I am saying to that modern Ghana in the Fourth Republic, and the Papa be a cost, expansion be a cost, and this laid the foundation. And to me, I am not going to contest NPP on any of these issues. Reality, they say, they are total failure, they are total disappointment. The people of this country, see, come now on social media, and I read some of the things and I just smile. Nkrofo were so vociferous, they were so loud. Before 2000 election, some of them are even apologizing now. They are asking for forgiveness of sins. So my bonnet. And they come now, and they become one sem. As soon as they 2 years, they can first one. And say it's e-levy.
People are apologizing that they voted for Nana. But people are...
Kwamra,
so your people also apologize.
Kwamra, na. That people have regretted their apologies and asking God to forgive them for voting for Nana Addo.
You are not just a politician.
I don't need to
just be. You are an experienced politician.
So what are you saying?
I'm saying that people apologize.
Yes.
For voting for a particular person or party.
Because the man deceived them. The man spoke, screamed, shout, and the man is not doing all the things he said. They believe him so much. Some of us said they only branded Nana Addo and presented him. That is not his real game. People didn't listen.
They branded him.
They brought foreign persons to come and rebrand him and presented him as something new. But that is not him.
But this is a man who's brought free SHS.
You see?
This is a man who's brought...
I have always maintained, whichever way, camera, me free I know the difficulty sometimes parents go through. Send the baby just of course can school. As the cow debate to your school fees, adane asem, no to fie. I know of Nkolomoko school, say be a pamwa, or mantimi, uncle school anyway. And the Uka Free SHS programmer, it is not entirely a bad policy. But I insist that the implementation is wrong, is bad, is not sustainable, and to destroy the foundation of our education.
Free SHS.
The sector minister no share Sikaso. Or minister of finance. Yewura Ken Oforiata. He himself came out to ask. Onebisayo. So no Kenti ha.
That's his personal opinion. But as a government policy, his personal opinion doesn't matter.
But is a man who presides over the finance of the nation.
He was suggesting that.
Hold it. Let me tell Ghanaians what he said, which I believe him to be true. Because come out here, Oba or Nesri, and now you are paying about 3,000 a term for Colano, or even more, 5,000. Ombre. But you are telling me that when that child leaves that nursery, no cost can square, you cannot pay 1,000 Ghana cedis. What sense is this? What is the sense in this? And then
you have 5,000.
You have 5,000.
And then you capture what you free.
Does it make sense? So make me have 5,000 that mama call I call primary school, preparatory school. I don't know how to go to school. Make me 1,000 Ghana cedis. And then look at say SSC results are 45% of the students fail mathematics and English. Have you heard it? Have you seen it? Ghana has himself per education architecture. Who fail mathematics, you are not going anywhere. Who fail English, you are not going anywhere. A man for Dodo now have seen results in time past. A man for Chagres ni na bebre. And now maths, and now English, and now science binti. Now this year na bani biye. And for me, we can be taking ourselves and be laughing. We can be pretending say ye bibi strong kumbi. But ebua gwe nyina so. Enu tina ya sede. Say nyina bi an nkasa. Me de bia me ka kwama me de wie. Ansa na me nua de late come na bem no. And say Sebi, about to na de bia coastal like say gosto no. Kwamra, it's not just a mere exercise so. Say gosto about. Do you know what we do on that day on elections? Ye nyina ka bo me ka say. Sebi meeting hey, meet me construct e kwan. Me nkwa meet me ntwi nsuo. Me nkwa meet me nya electricity. Me nkwa meet me nya nyame hia ya sitinam nyina embo me ho ban. Enti sika me wo ahone a me wo nyina no, me de be show nipa ba konsam. Na san nipa no nya opa wi asem nyina bia no, me de ma free. Udidi free, udadem free, ka bia opa bia me turn them out. Unya unfos kan ya hwe. Na so me resources mu na fa boa me, na me so ma sitinam hia kakra. And the editing money.
Okay.
As for this government, a monumental failure, a total disaster. History will not remember Nana Addo and his government.
History?
No.
Abakosem?
And kind of.
Wow. I'm calling Susan Maka.
Violate Kamakano.
Well, someone say, he's being considered for a very tough position in this administration. Next week, there's going to be a surprise. So, and then, who say, you know, a China, who is that?
A China, who say, no, or China, who is that? Who is that?
Edamu ina masi ya tuwa nkomo nso anum say just some few minutes to wrap up the show. 10 minutes. Na ye pija imu anum say Emia for Collins Usu Amankwa. Oh no, Makacho or go through a certain process.
So good now. Or that will buy it on the program.
No.
Or
go to certain rudiment as be a no bebuana. Ama baby. No, baby or cotton. I saw just sign in watch this space. He's a newly appointed.
Oh, my
now that can yes, I was only man.
No, what I
say, I mean, said they be out of
we brought your boat to can you say I was a course in the bus?
I know they can.
Well, friend, somebody just sent me this. My name is Ayodena. 6 December 2020, conduct of presidential and parliamentary elections in the Boeing. Is that letter?
And that's the letter from Electoral Commission.
Yes, from the Electoral Commission. The Commission wishes to announce for the information of the general public, especially voters in the Boeing constituency, that the 7th December 2020 presidential and parliamentary elections will take place in Boeing. In the Boeing constituency are scheduled from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. However, as a result of the creation of the Guan District Local Government, Guan District Assembly Establishment Instrument 2020, and pending the creation of the Guan constituency, eligible voters in the Guan District will vote only in the presidential but not in the parliamentary election in the Boeing constituency. Voters in the Guan District are to take note of this directive from the Electoral Commission. Oh,
camera. So, and they say, "One year down the line, it will be a fee." So they brought this letter. And until I'm talking about for parliamentary.
Okay, so CEO, Ideal College, Dr. Joseph Kobna Esibu, Central Regional Chairman, hopeful for MPP. Oh, Ideal College. I see. Dr. Joseph Kobna Esibu, Central Regional Chairman, hopeful for MPP.
Sir?
Hey.
Ideal College.
Ideal College? Oh. Oh, wrap up. Now we are going to see now we be able to come out.
Oh no, I'm here. Why not no pay? Now go on quantity. Keep in suspense. Next, I now bomb pie.
I bomb pie because I will come. Now,
say that was also Brazil. Oh, now care about e-living, but a general conversation.
Okay.
Officer, how I manage your mind. There's nothing to write home about. Honestly, it's so appalling. And he believes that even Ghana has no president. Yes, Bonesho. On paper, we have a president. But the reality is that Dr. Bawumia is standing in for the president. But Dr. Bawumia is also not in touch. And also, I quite cry. It is Salmon Apa. The person can say, Momodembo Atosi.
Oh, Omahene, Medasi, Nama Mempa, Ashefo, so Achel, not deliberate. Yen na him say. Bronya no unity say na traffic. Pacho say.
Not the appointment date.
Oh, David. I know they say. Nyame mre ne mre pa.
That's it.
Fred me hu na che. O mine Fred Agbenyo de mini. Say mini studio ha no say no be kon. Enti enye me nwanwa. Ye training no say ade papa bi a e koso bi a no. Omu na ningu so.
Wow.
Name no. Painty gloomy picture.
And to any man attacking me person say
they also paint a gloomy picture. The viewers will
because they are training me say at the papa be meaning.
But if you have been trained this way with what you have said here today. No, if you have been trained with what you have said today, and this is the kind of training you have, it's not bad at all. A training that criticizes objectively. I think it's fair.
Well, no, so me name the way objective, but to the best of my knowledge, ya catch you on say, moko TV, so moko radio, so mo dear, mo ma buying no new,
as a mona
diego bibia and koso, on the mention. But the reality is that Ghana for omunim,
Dieko.
You see, and we appreciate the impact of COVID-19. They're very important. America for crack and they prices of gas in America.
Germany for
over 200.
but also Cote d'Ivoire for cable.
Oh, saying?
Was it Cote d'Ivoire won't came?
No, but you should go to Cote d'Ivoire.
Compared to our contemporaries, don't talk
And I'm a Cote d'Ivoire. On election now, say I was part of the election mission observers. ECOWAS, the McCoy, and I know what I'm saying. Omona, ye no more ye neighbors. No, go and see what they are going through. You see, it is our case on paper there, and the same paper no and Cote d'Ivoire. At the statistics about as a GDP growth omoko. But the reality is, if we are seeing na kwa mo cherekesi. Ghana so can we are seeing now. And untina omampanyini oye visionary leader no. Wama ye nyina ya ti ase se ye ntimi enkonko to amenanim. Na emum e wo se etimi gina brane. Na wonsom susu ne nipa nti oman ni nyina collectively ye mboa no. Enti sa wo yi levy ne budget ye koso ni nyina no. Owe mo a ye ntimi we can't continue because as Fred Agbenyo mo ka se o Ghana e bobosia dodo. Na oman no ye bobosia no. Se ye nko bobosia bi o a aban bede no finance social projects. So them tell you Ghana for now. Enti say Uganda for
Chira no say me so jai so dware won frema mu a obenya ska.
When enjoy.
Oh, David. You see,
Mama
propaganda na
me kai. Enyo mo no mo kai.
No.
Ah, munya sa friend.
Who go high play?
No, minister my description. Say aircraft are more come once no. Exactly,
Please.
What they can please. Who they right now don't call sorry say can be please.
I'm an elder Apostolic Empowerment Ministry.
They have to demote you.
That asima oka na no kure.
Any credit me boy. Na minister na kan na me kan are you part of the delegation? What you planning be? Minister na ti planning mo say ye call man penny da no nya na go dware so ni no na me kan. I didn't say it. Minister na wo bo meaning na were you there? Me no na your hobby.
You dware wo wiem na
yo. No, ma penny dware wiem o da o wiem. Na me hobby nya minister na kan.
Wajo to sorry.
O man say say o ka say MPP enkaye ni a Nana Akufo-Addo or solid legacy he will be remembered for. Obia nim say time will come obo free SHS obia be ka say man panyin bi ba na e friend Nana Addo Akufo-Addo de buy. It is a what na hana wo adwene mu no wo fi say mo obia hunu say bibia nkoso a Ghana for no a say bo more retentive memory no dodo na be koso akan na e koso so ho de me chen o man me pese me ka bibi kakra efa ekwan a minority party ni NDC de o man ne fa so enye papa budget nsensem akwakofa ni levy ne de ye nyina no secretary de obi anim say secretary anafom nti true say ye to but the to no so na de chichikro government collect to finance social projects. That is the essence of paying taxes. Ora Mahama is on record to have justified taxation in this country than any president ayinai. Chechi mu se eto na na ye de chichikro. Enti ye hono de se mo no mutwe U10 ba be catch ze ye nkate expenditure na enu nti ne ye ma ye tuato obi e bio a. That is NDC for you.
Correct, no.
Oh no, but that is what your general secretary. General secretary say.
But we didn't say that.
But it's here. Reduce expenditure instead of taxing the public.
Don't let him say that.
But your general secretary is saying this.
Precision.
No, what I'm saying. No. But that is what your general secretary is saying.
Correct.
Already said don't cut asemu a wo kan. Say ehun hia say eje to.
Cut down
expenditure instead of taxing the public.
But if they can't cut down expenditure, doesn't mean
if you cut down, your SSS can be used to.
That's what he's saying. Why are you misleading the people of this country this morning?
Meba.
Me to know I busy.
Meba.
And they are one kind.
But no.
But kindness.
Next a minute to wrap up.
The general secretary time Nisha, the general secretary of the opposition. But we on my man am buy NDC na eka.
But so one cancer.
Oh, and was seven of those Johnny from.
Now correct no.
Ma correcting the panel we also said
but this same general secretary in 2008 Baba Bekam ra ye introduce communication doctors. Say unya Yen free but NDC ba be mo what have increasing percentage you know. You see but that is NDC for you and throw and amudi no kromo a. Now no you are saying say
drop there for
meba o man unim say this levy no is being captured as part of spending plan for 2020 fiscal year unim say enti say yanje antumo a said the omo posture say yanje antumo Onim say be affected the entire budget. Why?
Minister of Anna Mekansa.
Oh, yeah, Nkasasa.
Wakofa to me.
Nkasasa.
You see, you really can't say Minister of Finance, Eco Parliament. And say, Omuji budget ni tuma. Omo hwe nim say Tobus na oda ya discuss. Ye betwem. Okase na wie ye debate budget na ye can hwe.
No administrative decision. You don't even know what you are saying. Look at no. Read Roto. Please. Hold it. You government need the umbrella plan. No. Was approved by Pacho. You took the decision on behalf of the people of this country. No. Why sector minister? They say Emra Ghana for their man no Pacho. Emra Ghana for their man no. Emrana no Gina so budget. So on what grounds? Sector minister. Roto act no. Eno na chair baby a yam photo nsi. Baby a me photo nsi. Na ni nyina no nipo hwe so. Our administrative transport.
You didn't do well at all.
No. Onya time ni na 1 million.
It's not factual.
I didn't know.